Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Apple ID tied to your library and resolving payment. Sign in to account settings on your iPhone or Mac, then open subscriptions and locate Apple Music. If it shows expired or past due, update the payment method and resubscribe now. That immediately unlocks your library tethered to that Apple ID. Once done, make sure the device is online and wait for Apple's confirmation email. This tells you billing went through and the service is active again. Once billing is resolved, re-enable Sync Library to pull your iCloud Music library back to devices. On iPhone, go to Settings, Music, and toggle Sync Library. On Mac, open Music Preferences and check Sync Library. If the library doesn't appear, sign out of your Apple ID and sign in again to force metadata refresh, and update the OS to the latest version to avoid compatibility hiccups. Make sure any computers are authorized for that Apple ID so purchased tracks reappear and playlists reconcile properly. Finish by forcing a full resync. Turn Sync Library off, restart each device, then turn it back on to request a fresh sync. After that, manually re-download playlists or songs that show cloud icons. Make sure you have enough storage. If tracks are absent, inspect purchase history and iTunes match uploads. Some files may need reuploading. Troubleshooting tip: if your library still won't restore after 24 hours, gather Apple ID details, device OS versions, and screenshots. Then contact Apple support to expedite account-side reconciliation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.